Right guys, I'm back. So it is the 24th today, I believe, of July 2019 at the time of the video. So I'm just sort of right. Oh, it smells of cow dump. My tires I find they seem a bit low, to be honest, and that's what saddle's gone down now. It seems fine. Right, we're going to go to the right side. So I've got my little live or bicycle helmet on, attached my little GoPro Hero 7 on there, 4K 60 frames per second. Go slightly down here, I think. I'm not going to go too far close to the cows. I've got like sort of a red and black shirt on, t-shirt. So whether they're like sort of bulls amongst there or not, something else. Should be alright. It shouldn't be that too sort of close. They're in the sort of the fields over there. All nice in the fields. They're not that far anyway. Depends what their eye distance is as well. Nice little cows. Oh, I think that's... Is that a bull there? I don't know. I thought there was a black bull in there then, but I think that might be just a cow. Okay. Nice little bit of stretch of land in here for the cows who ride along, or walk along I should say, in the fields. Alright. Alright. Well, what I'm going to do in a second, guys and girls, is I'm going to put my headset on 1080p, 120 frames per second, and see how well it records on fastness and all that. Because I've got it in 4K at the moment. I just want to see that sort of how fast or how smooth it is in 120 frames per second. Look at the clouds there, lovely cloud lining. Alright guys and girls, welcome back. Just here a second. So I'm recording in 4K, 60 frames per second. That's about 5 minutes, 5.5 minutes I've done so far. If you enjoyed this episode for 24th of July 2019, let us know in the comments below. I'm going to put over to my next resolution and the next frame rate, and I'm going to test out the frame rate and the resolution. Back in a second guys and girls.